half throttled. He's still in my fucking way. He's in it, and I'm barely in the throttle. This shit's slow. About to pass it.
Do it.
Deuces, motherfucker. He knows his place. I like how I got in front of you.
Yep.
I didn't even know he was going. Yeah, he knows we're faster than him. He just kind of waved.
I know. He wasn't expecting me to come slapping his ass.
He's having a bad night too.
Sounds like a him problem.
Correct. I'm just not gonna sweep lanes like these guys do.
No. I was going to, and then I was like, I'm gonna cut back over. I ain't gonna do this shit.
I love the look every one of them gives us, like, what the fuck just happened? Bye.
Hi, how are you?
I would love to hear the answer, because, like, the answer would be not great.
Probably just dead air, like space, nothing.
They just stare as we go by, and they're like, well, where's it going? That's why I like not having the badge, because they don't know what the fuck I'm driving. But they get behind you, and they're like, oh, it's a Porsche Turbo, got it, okay, but they have no fucking clue what's going on up here.
There was one time I was coming flying up in the middle, Jesus.
Yeah, I see him back there.
You can't keep it in the center lane either. It keeps moving to both sides.
I think he wants me to come up next to him again.
Do it.
He's slowly increasing speed as I am, too.
Well, what's he doing?
There's a car in front of him. Goodbye again.
He waved. He was laughing.
At least he gets bored about it.